Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Translation. Sri Krishna, the personality of Godhead, who is also the Paramatma in everyone's heart, and the benefactor of the truthful devotee, does cleanse the desire for material enjoyment in the heart of the devotee who has developed the urge for hearing his, Krishna's, messages, which are themselves virtuous when properly heard and chanted.
So, Krishna is very selfish. He says, here it is said, Sakatha Krishna. Anyone who is engaged in hearing Krishna's katha. Katha means words, messages. So, in the Bhagavad-gita also, Krishna says, Mam ekam, only unto me. Ekam. This is required. Although everything is Krishna, but according to the pantheist theory, we cannot worship everything. Everything is Krishna, that's a fact. But that does not mean we have to worship everything. We have to worship Krishna. The Mayavadi philosopher, they say, if everything is Krishna, so whatever I worship, I am worshipping Krishna. No, that is wrong. Just like the same example can be given that in the body, I am this body, everything I or mine, but when foodstuff is to be taken, it is not to be pushed through the rectum, but through the mouth. That is the only one. You cannot say the body has got 9 holes, 2 eyes, 2 nostrils, 2 ears, 1 mouth, 1 rectum, 1 genital, 9 holes. So why not push the food in any hole? That is Mayavadi theory. After all, they say the foodstuff has to be given to the body, inside the body. So, I can push the foodstuff through any hole. There are so many holes. Sometimes in medical science, when it is impossible to push food through the mouth, they push through the rectum. That is artificial. But emergency they do sometimes. But that is not the way. The real way is that food is required to be given to the body, but it must be given through the mouth, not through any other hole. Similarly, if we actually want our contact with the absolute truth, then we have to go through Krishna. Krishna has many forms. Advaita, Achyuta, Anadi, Ananta Rupam. Ananta Rupam. So, because nothing is but Krishna, everything is Krishna's energy, so the process is to contact the absolute truth means Krishna. Therefore Krishna here says, not Krishna, Vyasdev says, through Sudha Goswami, that Krishna is very kind, very friendly to the Suhit Satam. Satam. Satam means devotees. He is very intimately in friendship with devotees. Krishna's another qualification is Bhakta Vatsal. Here is also said, Suhit Satam. Satam means devotees. He is friend of everyone. Srila Sarva Bhutanam. Without Krishna being friend of everyone, nobody can live for a moment. Krishna is protecting everyone, supplying food to everyone.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.